What we have is the opposite of a synthetic chemical nutrient. We have what your body needs, which is something that is organic, meaning carbon-based nutrition, so that your body will receive it instantaneously, knows what to do with it,
Wow.
and your body can utilize it as immediate fuel. Everything else is some form of inert nutrient made in a lab. It's synthesized in a lab. You wouldn't wear a pair of fake leather shoes, right, and expect those shoes to last a lifetime. You can't resole them.
Sure.
In fact, your feet stink. Why? And they crack. Why? Because they're synthetic. They're inert. A shoe which contains carbon can be resoled and refinished for a lifetime.
Yeah.
The body knows what to do when something is bound to carbon, which is why the foods should have been bound to carbon in the first place.